Welcome back, SRC Toys. Thanks for tuning into my channel. Today we're going to put the shocks on the Rustler 4x4 2025. I wish these shocks weren't so stiff, but it is what it is, I guess. Springs are like really, really. Actually, that's not too bad, I guess. They might have to put thicker fluid in them. I'm not doing that. That's a pain in the ass. The whole point of this hobby is for them to have fun, so I'll let them do it. I just want it presentable so I can sell it. And look at how low this thing sits. I mean, it's awful. Blue matches too. Looks good. Unfortunately, I can't see what I'm doing. I'll tell you, these are a pain in the ass, these back ones. I don't know why, I'll tell you that. A lot better than it was. Probably could use thicker shock foil in it. Okay. Got wheels for it and tires. End up on my driver. Unfortunately, these are the black chrome, which I really don't like. But it is what it is, I guess, you know. This truck is basically brand new. I'm not sure exactly what I got into it either. I'm sure more than what it costs to buy one. I'm done giving them away, so just be warned, you're paying for it. No more just giving shit away. I put a lot of money in these trucks, so I don't sell junk. Yeah, that tire looks old. Well, I was going to replace the differentials in it because of that little bit of slop. Nope. Order drive shafts or differentials for it. Got the same amount of slop. So put a kibosh to that. I'll save them differentials for something else. Here we go. This is all set. They're gonna have to put shock foil in the shocks. But, I mean, it is what it is, you know. There you go. Like brand new. Okay, there it is. Oh, these are the control arms got to come for it too. They haven't come yet. They'll be here next. I think they'll be here Friday. But if it sells before then, I'll just tell them, hey, I have them for you. That's about it. So the only thing that we kept off of this is the shock towers, the tie rod ends, drive shafts, and the differentials, center drive shafts, that receiver box. There's a lot of parts that, not a lot of parts that haven't been replaced. It's things like brand new now. Maybe I'll do a shock oil video and put shock oil in it. I don't know. I might. It's only 9 o'clock and I'm normally up in the middle of the night anyway, so I'll probably do a shock oil video. I got shock oil right here anyway, so not a big deal. That's Traxxas shock oil. I got TLR shock oil there, I think. But there it is, all set. Thanks for tuning into my channel. Please hit like and subscribe if you like the video and the content. Remember to leave your name in the comment. That way you can get on the wheel for the giveaway. We're giving away a coffee mug, hat, and a t-shirt to one individual, each prize to one individual. Not all three to the same person, obviously. And there's about 5 hats and 2 coffee mugs and 2 shirts, I believe. But we will see what goes on, and the drawing is going to be the first to second week in March. I got some comments now, so I got to get the pinwheel set up. It's going to be a pinwheel type. You can win a coffee mug, you can win a hat, you can win a t-shirt, you can win all 3 of them if you sign up more than once. You only sign up once, you only got 1 shot to win 1 prize. So be safe, SRC Toys. Thanks for tuning in.